This is CES, the most exciting tech convention in the world is happening here in Las Vegas, and we are back. My name is Noah for Send One Media. Come with me and let's check out some of the hottest things for this year. This is going to be a walkthrough of Las Vegas Convention Center, North Hall. And we're coming in, let's first go to the left and see what we see. First, we have the SALT system, the 3D experience company, meet your virtual twin. Now, the North Hall has a lot of the digital tech. That's what it's known for. So if you're in anything hospitality, you need better sleep, anything like that, healthcare, this is where you need to be.
You want to meet over there at Helium?
Now we're going around here. Now the Las Vegas Convention Center is actually super, super massive. Like it is ginormous. So through here, let's see what we have in front of it. EMD Electronics, straight ahead. Let's go to the left. But before we go further, there's something super cool here that I want to check out. Let's go. Look at this little canopy. I'm not sure if this is like a meeting pod. It's a gigabyte power computing. So let's check this out real quick. Isn't it awesome? Or maybe the taxi of the future. Let's look here and see what this say. Da, 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 da. There you go. Okay. All right. Well, let's carry on. That was fun. Let's keep going. Going further straight up ahead. Yoshino's solid state power. Meta, go beyond. Now, this is just one of many. The CES is actually spread across many halls like South Hall, North Hall, West Hall, Central Hall. And on top of that, many different hotels like Aria, Venetian, Palm, Mandalay Bay. It is everywhere. It takes over Las Vegas. Like it is the biggest Las Vegas convention of the year. Over here we have a massive truck. Let's see what the idea is for that. I mean, I wouldn't say that it is the most high-tech looking. Its name is Titan. Let's see what Titan is up to because I can see, based on these hinges, the whole thing can literally flip down and just come apart onto itself. So it's a tactical intelligence targeting access mode. Yeah, let's get away from this thing before it decides to target me. And yeah, let's not do that. Cool, let's keep going. So, to the right here, we have a Transformer. We have Optimus from Robosen. Robosen. This is pretty cool. Oh, look at this guy. Oh, look at this. Oh. Even I can't do that. This is pretty cool. This limited edition Optimus Prime delivers endless ability to save the planet. Got the flexibility. Wow. Really cool. RoboSim. All right. Down here we have all the different versions of Optimus.
Backup has arrived. Fully equip your auto-converting Optimus Prime robot by RoboSim with the world's first auto-converting roller and roller set. Extending the authentic original G1 Transformers design. This new trailer.
All right, further over here. Let's skip. Oh, we have Optimus doing push-ups over here. This. Whoa! Wow, that body shot was lethal. I mean, holy,
I love it.
oh. This is going to be Creed 4. Oh, I don't know if Adonis is ready for this. Oh, look at that. Did you see that? He almost knocked himself out. Oh, he's shaking. Oh, winner. Oh, this is awesome. Optimus got you. This is awesome.
Oh, with his music play. Oh, that's crazy.
It's an air guitar. Oh my God, he's playing the air guitar. This is ridiculous. This is
I don't
awesome.
understand what's happening right now. This is crazy.
Oh, this is so cool. Okay, let's keep going. Oh, it's backing up slow, just like I am. Back away from each other. Back away. The most humanly robotic possible way. Let's do this. Keep going. All right, continuing not horror. Let's keep going. We have a lot of things. Like, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show all of this in one video. That's not gonna be 7,000 minutes long. Let's check here, because of course I see something cool, so we have to get there. So it looks like a future DeLorean. What do you say? Let's get closer. Now, I do know from reading the DeLorean name, right, was purchased very recently. Could this be what they have in mind? I mean, look at this. Is this DeLorean 2.0? Says now look at this tire system. Very interesting design. Very interesting concept. The days when someone is driving around in something like this, I'm looking forward to it.
Thank you.
Wow. Wow. Just wow. All right, let's keep going. Over here we have something else really cool.
Oh, look. I didn't.
All right, so this is the same company that had the DeLorean. I have this. Let's check it out. Let's go around real quick. It is called either Climb 3 or just Climb B. Let's look over here on the wall. It says the word. Okay, let's see if we can get inside real quick. Now we have a sliding door, like a minivan. Let's check out inside. Wow, look at this. Look at the ceiling. Wow. This is how you transport people in the future. I am totally in for this. Now look at when you sit down, you have a screen where you can ask for different information, where it will publish it on the screen around you, as far as like directions or music info or messages. Look at this light feature in the ceiling. This is really, really cool. Wow. The future, I am all for it. I'm all for this future.
Thank you.
Okay, let's keep going. There's two really cool things. Let's go across. More cars. Let's do this. Now this one is purple. Purple car.
Es coreana.
Wow.
Estoy a punto de tomarme esa agua ajena.
¿Dónde?
A punto de tomarme esa agua ajena.
Tengo